अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्रेमी एक्सपोज चैनल में खुश आमदीद। अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे चैनल देख रहे हो तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो आप तक बर वक्त पहुँचती रहे। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इन्वेंटेड द टेलीफोन? राइट ऑप्शन इज ए Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 2, which planet is closest to the sun? Right option is D, Mercury. Question number 3, who was the first man to walk on the moon? Right option is B, Neil Armstrong. Question number 4, who wrote the novel To Kill a Mockingbird? Right option is B, Harper Lee. Question number 5, which country gave the status of liberty to the United States? Right option is A, France. Question number 6, who is known as the father of nation in India? Right option is C, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 7, who invented the World Wide Web? Right option is A, Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 8, which country is known as the land of rising sun? Right option is B, Japan. Question number 9, who painted the famous work The Last Supper? Right option is C, Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 10, who is the current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Right option is A, Rishi Sunak. Question number 11, in which city is the headquarters of the United Nations located? Right option is D, New York. Question number 12, who is the founder of Microsoft Corporation? Right option is Bill Gates. Question number 13, which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Right option is A, Brazil. Question number 14, which of the following is not a programming language? Right option is D, Ada Photoshop. Question number 15, who invented the light bulb? Right option is A, Thomas Edison. Question number 16, who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Right option is A, Marie Curie. Question number 17, which is the smallest continent by the land area? Right option is C, Australia. Which is the biggest continent by land area? Right option is Asia. Question number 18, who painted the famous work Starry Night? Right option is B, Vincent van Gogh. Question number 19, who is the author of the Harry Potter book series? Right option is A, J.K. Rowling. Question number 20, which is the largest planet in our solar system? Right option is B, Jupiter. Question number 21, what is the capital city of Australia? Right option is C, Canberra. Question number 22, who is the current president of the United States of America? Right option is D, Joe Biden. Question number 23, which is the longest river in the world? Right option is A, Nile. Question number 24, who is the current Prime Minister of Canada? Right option is D, Justin Trudeau. Question number 25, who painted the famous work Mona Lisa? Right option is C, Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 26, what is the capital city of Spain? Right option is D, Madrid. Question number 27, which country is the famous for the Great Barrier Reef? Right option is B, Australia. Question number 28, who is the founder of Facebook? Right option is C, Mark Zuckerberg. Question number 29, which country is the largest population in the world? Alright, option is A, India. Question number 30. What is the largest mammal in the world? Alright, option is B, blue whale.